Hi, all. Welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss how to filter the data from the data frame, and how many ways we can filter the data from the data frame. So, I'm creating sample data frames, employee data frame, and department data frame. Okay. So, I have employee data frame. I have all these columns. This is department data frame, and so if you want to filter, if you want to apply, filter is equal to where class in a SQL. You want to apply filter, so we can use df dot filter. Here, what I'm doing is, so I want to filter. I have 14 employees in this employee data frame. I want to filter only 7839. Okay, 7839. That is only I want to filter one employee. Okay. Now see, will get only 7839 employee. And one more way you can do is, instead of filter keyword, okay, you can use where also, where class also, where keyword also you can use empdf dot where call employee number double equals to 7839. In this way also you can use. Okay. And one more way is, you can, while passing the column name, data frame of column name you can pass. This we have already seen in while using select and select expression. See, in this way also we can use. And in this example, we'll see not equal to, not equal to. So I want to display, I want to display employee details. Job not manager. Job is not manager. Okay. So how to do that? Here data frame dot selector. I'm selecting these columns. Okay. If you want all columns, no, you can do what you can do. You can give star, right? You want all columns. Okay. Dot select, what it will do. It will, using select, you can filter. You can select required columns, and it will return data frame. Again, on top of data frame, you can apply filter. Filter call of job not equal to manager. And I'm applying show. Now you can see, except managers, you got all data. Salesman, clerk, analyst, president, like this. And filter with the R. Okay, R operator. We'll see. Pipeline. R is, and also one more way you can say pipeline or R, OR. So here from the data frame, I'm selecting two columns and then filter all of job not equal to clerk or job is not is null. Or how it will work? If first condition is true, it will not execute second condition. So job is not equal to clerk means it is a first condition and it will satisfy. Okay, there are records not equal to clerk. So hence the first condition is true. This will not execute second condition. This will not compare second condition. Okay, If you want to compare many conditions, you can give, you can use pipe symbol. Okay, where the filter, you can, I will use where also. We'll see whether it will work or not. So where also it is working. See now, not equal to clerk means except clerk, we got all other data like this. Filter with the or operator, and or instead of pipe symbol you can use or also. Okay, job not equal to clerk or job is null, anything is fine. Now see, this is also written 10 records, president, manager, analyst, salesman. Next, filter with the between operator. So between will behave same as a SQL between. In SQL, what between will do? Whatever range you are passing, starting value, ending value, in between that complete data will it will give complete data. So between 10 and 20 means this query will give employee data who belongs to 10th department and 20th department. Okay, we'll execute and we'll see. So I am not using show right dot show. Now see, only 10th department, 10th department 3 records, remaining all 20th department. Likewise, we will use in between operator with the filter combination. Now one more way we can do is select from the data frame these columns and filter all the between, you can implement in a as an expression in a filter. You can pass expression to the filter. Okay, department number between 10 and 20. Okay, this is the output. Next, this is also similar salary. Okay, that I already seen this kind of example. We'll see. Next, sal between 3,000 and 9,000. It is fine. Okay, this is the one good example for a is not null. We can use is not null. Okay, on the top of data frames. Okay, is not null means it will check. It will if there is any not null values. Okay, then it will return the data. If commission is not null means wherever commission is not null, it will return the data. So I will execute and we'll see. See in these records, so at least 0 is there. 0 is not null, right? So it is returning all 14 records. You know, right? So what I will do is I will remove this show command. So action. Now we'll see. So output I have not received anything because this is a transformation. Filter is a transformation. Usually, if you are performing any transformations, okay, logically it will create the DAG, okay, directed acyclic graph. Once you perform some action, then only actual execution, that logical plan will be converted to the physical plan. Then actual execution, memory allocation and actual execution will be take place. So you got it right. Now this is transformation. Now you perform action. Now you can see the data. Okay, display is the action. Is null. This is null. So this will return the data where job is null. So Nothing. There is no for all the records we have job. So nothing you will get the null records. Nothing is matched. Condition is not matched. Next, if you want to check whether if you want to filter whether this column is null, okay, that time we'll go for commission is null also directly as an expression we can use is null. Commission is null. So wherever commission is null, that records it will display. So there is no commission null, right? So condition is failed, so nothing it is written. All the columns commission has a values. No commission field is having null value. Next, how to use in this way also you can compare null value. Now the filter call of job equal to null. Instead of is null, you can pass empty. Okay, in single quotations, empty value if you pass, that will also equal to is null. Now see, okay, this will return the both conditions are will return a null value only. First, this condition will check. This is there is no job equal to null, right? So this is failed. It will check this condition. Employee number is null. So this is also failed because our employee number is a primary key in this table, and every field has employee number. There is no null field. So both conditions it is checking and returning a null value only. Okay. So next. Or operator this null in this way also we can check. Okay, filter department number equal to null or department name is null. Okay, this is the expression directly we are using in a filter condition. Okay, both will be fail only because the name and department number has all the values. Next, filter with the is in. Filter with the is in. Okay, so here I'm trying to filter. My require is to display the record. The how questions, what is the question here is display the department data belongs to Boston and Dallas. Okay, this is the query. Location is in directly. We have is in operator. Okay, you can perform is in operator similar to SQL on top of data frame also. Is in Boston in will accepts a list of values with the comma separated. It will check it will display the data only when this condition satisfies. Okay, location is Boston, Dallas, then only it will give the data. Two records it will display. So Boston is already not there in our list, so only Dallas is there, so it is given Dallas. Next, same filter location equal to Dallas or location equal to ABC. First location it will check first condition. If it is satisfied, then it will return the data. If it is fails, it will check the condition location equal to ABC. Now Dallas location it worked actually it is matched. So this data came. Okay. So in operator in data is similar to SQL. In operators also will work as it is in the data frame approach also. So from this employee data frame, I'm selecting few columns, filter. Yeah, I'm passing the expression where job in salesman and manager. If both if job is matched salesman, then it will return data. and the job match manager, then it will return the data. Now see, you can see output of only manager and the salesman. So this is used in operator. We have already seen this is in the okay. Filter call off also you can perform a call. It's optional. You can pass call off column name. This is also fine. If you want to perform this easy in, we have to perform this. If I have to use call of location, then only easy you can give. If you want to perform expression way here, then call is not required. If you want to perform like if you want to use location as a column, then you can perform call. This is also similar. This example, what we are doing, filter location is in this two and empty also. Three locations we are passing, or department number is null. Okay. If this is failed, then it will check this data. So we'll execute and we'll see. Okay. So Dallas, New York. These two conditions satisfied. So it is returning the output. And also like this multiple conditions we can compare, okay, using where class. Like I filter operator in a data frames on top of data frames. Here I want to retrieve the data where whose salary greater than 5,000 and less than and equal to commission equal to 800. Here, first condition what salary should be greater than 5,000 and second condition is commission equal to 800. So when and operator what it will do? And means this ampersand symbol and will match both conditions are satisfied, then only and will return the output. So this is greater than 5,000 and commission equal to 800. Nowhere it is there. So it didn't return the data. Give 2,000. It is not returning any data. Okay. Next, I'm selecting all the data. On top of that, I'm applying filter. Here, what it will return? This will return who is juniors who are all joined before okay 1985 after 19 who are the juniors today not juniors date greater than less than means okay who are the seniors okay it will give the employees who joined okay before 1985 January 1985 January before all these people joined. Okay, these are all okay. Like that, the dates also we can compare. So if you see this example, higher date greater than equal to who joined, okay, uh, after 1985 and be less than greater than 1985 less than 1990. So it will return all the data with conditions satisfied. Okay. So what it who joined only Adams is joined. It is given 1980. He joined 1987, which is between 1985 and 1990. So in this way, we can perform filter operation, filter operation on top of data frames in a Spark SQL in a data frame approach. Filter is nothing but a where class to the nothing but it's equal to where class in a SQL. Okay, that's it for this lesson, this lecture, and next lecture will come up with some other topic in a Databricks. Thanks for watching.